Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm 33 years old.
Hi, I'm Grace, and I love tanning.
My name is Debbie, and I have 2 children. Spending time with them is precious to me.
Ever since I was little, almost anything made my face blush. Whenever it would get just a little bit colder outside or whenever I have a drink, my face gets so red that even I get surprised. And as a result of all this blushing, I feel that it's negatively impacted my skin.
Since I came to America, I have enjoyed tanning. I would get so much energy from the sun and feel great. But at the same time, I couldn't help but get melasma as well. Once I had it, it never seems to disappear and even spread all over my face. So since then, I have been avoiding the sun.
My kids had asked me, "Mom, why are there so many dark pigments on your face? Are we gonna be like you when we grow up?" At that moment, I began to grow concerned about my skin. I've been bothered by my pigments my entire life, and now I'm worried my kids will have to put up with it too.
I have received dermatological treatment several times due to my blushing. I went through several expensive treatments and was only relieved temporarily. My blushing always came back, and I couldn't find a reliable solution to my problem.
I'm always looking for the right treatment that's suited for me, and I've tried so many things, but every option's disappointed me.
I tried some laser treatment, but I've never been satisfied by the result.
Yeah? Does my skin look not blushed at all right now?
Why does my skin look good?
It's because I finally found a solution to my problem.
Sylfirm.
I guess I found the very right one for me.
It's Sylfirm.
Different from the previous treatments I've received, Sylfirm doesn't hurt at all, and it takes a much shorter time to complete. Above all, watching my skin get better day by day, I realized I made the right choice.
At first, I worried that this would be just another temporary solution, but I was wrong. I can literally see my skin get cleaner, and my blushing has been long gone.
The treatment doesn't just work on the surface of your skin. It works on a deeper level, and I can definitely feel it. I can trust Sylfirm, and I will continue to use it.
The cause of facial blushing and melasma pigment is rooted in our blood vessels. Laser toning treatment, which shoots lights only onto the surface of the skin without dealing with the more deeply rooted fundamental causes, is likely to lead to only temporary results. In fact, this type of treatment can even stimulate microvessels and further worsen the problem. On the other hand, Sylfirm selectively coagulates vessels to safely heal specific areas of the skin. Therefore, it can destroy only abnormal vessels without harming the rest of your complexion. Melasma pigments are especially difficult to treat because they form in the deeper levels of the skin. And most times treatments end up just aggravating those vessels in the face, making the problem worse. However, since Sylfirm coagulates the overproliferated vessels on every level of the face, including the inner skin, it can easily heal dermamelasma. Also, by strengthening the basement membrane, which becomes weakened due to UV rays and aging, Sylfirm can stop melanin migration from the epidermis to the dermis. With complete clinical tests in Canada, it's the most safe and definitive treatment available today.
I received the Sylfirm treatment at intervals of 1 to 2 weeks for the first 3 times, and then later, I received it at an interval of a month at a time. Despite the treatment becoming less frequent, I still noticed my skin would just get better and better. On the first day after I received my treatment, I went to work. Hardly anyone noticed that I had received skin treatment. My skin complexion got better without the first initial negative aesthetic effects of most procedures. With Sylfirm, I have no problem getting back to everyday life.
Doctor recommended I get 8 treatments over the course of 2 weeks, and so far I've received 5 treatments. I'm only barely over halfway through my treatment, but doesn't my skin look cleaner? 1 week after I started treatment, my skin feels much more healthy, and makeup, which used to be a problem for my sensitive skin, no longer feels uncomfortable.
I have received 10 treatments at intervals of 2 weeks so far. The doctor informed me that I wouldn't notice a huge change after the first treatment, but after the third, the darkness of my pigments significantly decreased, and my skin felt noticeably healthier.
My friends tell me that it doesn't seem like I'm only received melasma treatment. They said my skin tone has a lot brighter and my fine wrinkles have completely disappeared.
It's not only about the blushing. My face just feels younger and is so smooth, I can't help but keep touching it.
Not only have I solved my problem with my pigments, but also my pimples have disappeared. People around me keep asking me how my skin looks so clean. And my kids are always telling me, "Mom, you look so pretty."
No one believes me when I tell them my skin is the way it is today because of only one treatment.
By solving the fundamental problems of overproliferated vessels, Sylfirm minimizes the recurrence of these issues, and the results are abundantly clear. This treatment not only stabilizes the epidermis, but also reforms the structures of the vessels in the dermis, thus accelerating the regeneration of the skin tissue. Because of this, Sylfirm has been shown to be effective in fixing fine wrinkles, brightening skin tones, tightening pores, and rejuvenating the skin as a whole. It's the first multi-treatment that deals with all kinds of skin concerns.
Sylfirm is the one and only solution, since it solves the very fundamental cause of my skin problem.
It minimizes the possibility of reoccurrence and cleans up my skin from the inside.
It's the one and only solution to your skin concerns. The answer.
Now, I don't need to worry about blushing ever again because Sylfirm prevents further skin problems from reoccurring.
After clearing my skin from inside out, I feel beautiful again. I feel like a new woman. Never been happier. And now I can enjoy the sun again.
Whenever I look into a mirror or meet new people, I feel so much more confident in my appearance. It's unbelievable how much Sylfirm has done for me.
Sylfirm.
It's Sylfirm.